Let's begin with chapter number 2. So what are we going to be seeing in this chapter? We will be discussing about the sectors of the Indian economy. So the Indian economy is divided into 3 sectors for better understanding of the kind of employment we have in our country and for understanding how every economic activity is categorized. So let us see the different kind of sectors and which sector plays an important role and where are most of the people employed in the Indian economic scenario we are going to see in this particular chapter. Please take a look at the pictures carefully here. Let's discuss the table of content. So first we're going to go through the introduction to see as to what do you even mean by sector. Okay. Then like I've earlier mentioned, we are going to see what are the 3 main sectors that divides our Indian economy. After that we see through time, through 50-60 years, how has this sectors changed in India. Suppose for example 60 years back agricultural sector was very important, but now it does not hold the same importance. Then we see the rising importance of the tertiary sector, also called as the service sector. That of late in the recent past, around 10 years or so, the service sector has been rapidly increasing in our country. And we see why has it been increasing and what is the consequence of this increase. Then after that, we will see where does most of the employment in India, which sector takes that up, right? After that, we again evaluate underemployment and the details and the examples of underemployment we will be discussing in such a chapter. After we've seen underemployment, it gives us a clearer picture as to how to create more employment. Now that we've seen the major issue called as underemployment, we are in a state to understand as to how do we create more employment so that we remove these people out of such an issue. Then we see the main kind of divisions that happen in these sectors. So under these sectors there are 4 divisions. You have the organized and the unorganized, public and private sector, right? So we've covered majority of the portion. After that we will evaluate our progress through exercises and MCQs. So without wasting any time, let us begin with the class.